Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is probably one of the only videos that won't actually contain any AI or AI tutorials. I'm actually doing an unboxing today for the first OpenAI physical product, which is a Codex keyboard. So you can use this to control your agent. It's fully customizable. I do believe it came with some custom keycaps as well. I'm very curious how I'm going to be able to use this with Comfy UI, ChatGPT, Codex, Fable, any of the agents. So it does allow you to connect wirelessly to your computer and set macros for any of the keys. I do believe it has a microphone to chat with your agent as well, custom LED lights for notifications and things like that. So pretty interesting. I don't know if this is going to interest you guys, but I did want to just make a quick video about it because it's really cool. This is kind of a revolutionary day in a lot of ways. You know, it's the first physical product from OpenAI. So they did it in collaboration with the Work Louder guys. So this is what it's going to look like when we open it. As you can see, it cost around $250 Canadian, probably a little bit too much, but I mean, you're paying for the swag, you're paying for the OpenAI logo, you're paying to be, part of the moment. And then of course, here are the keycaps as well. Let that focus so you can see. So there is some customization available. Pretty cool. Without further ado, let's grab the handy dandy knife and open it up. There goes my collector's value. Now you can tell this is very Apple in nature, the way everything opens and the way it's designed. Yeah, a lot of inspiration from Apple. We'll see how that lawsuit goes coming up. Wow. This is really cool. I wasn't even sure if I was going to actually unbox it and use it. I was going to hold on to it just as kind of a piece for my shelf. But man, the quality on this is excellent. Really cool. I'm digging this a lot. And they actually did release two versions. One had the quiet keycaps. I did pick the loud keycaps for the culture, of course. How could you not? So you can see here all the different macros that it'll have. It's pretty cool. So once you get it set up, you're going to have the custom LED light notifications. This actually decreases or increases the effort. So being able to change effort with a knob is pretty cool. Yeah. I'm going to get to work with this right away, but I did want to show you guys a quick unboxing. As you can see on the back here, the OpenAI logo, really cool. It does connect through USB, Bluetooth, and it is for Mac and Windows both. So yeah, hopefully I'll have some videos about this, or hopefully I'll be using it, or maybe this will sit on my shelf forever as a reminder of not to buy things from OpenAI. Who knows? I just wanted to do a really quick video about that, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, guys, have a good day.